everyone. So welcome back to AwesomeAni. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. And in this video, it's going to be a math video. We're going to be learning how to factor a quadratic equation. So there are two components to this process. So first, we should analyze the shape of a quadratic equation and the how to factor it. So the way you identify a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So so you can substitute x for any value. So you could say, no, you can't substitute x. You can substitute a, b, and c for any value, and you would have a quadratic equation. And so you can substitute for anything. You could substitute like a could be 5, b could be 4, and c could be like 2 or something. But it has to satisfy the property, and when you add everything, it'll equal 0. So factoring this type of equation will be really helpful because we will be able to solve the solution really quickly, because the way it's going to work is it's going to be like x, let's say, so an example of a fully factored one could be like x minus 8 times x plus 3. And we would already know the solution to this because we know anything times 0 would be 0. So the two solutions is 8 and negative 3. So now how do we factor this? So let's say we have a equation 5x squared, or you know what, let's just keep it as x squared so it's not too complicated. So x squared, and then we'll say plus 4x plus 4. So how do we factor this? So the first step is we have to split up each of the numbers into two areas. So we need a variable on both sides. So we're going to have x. Because there's x times x, this fit out really well. And so we just have x plus something times x plus or minus something. So, or x plus something. So how do we find out what should go in these two spaces? So the way we do that is we have to find two numbers that multiply to 4 and add to 4. And so the number for that is 2. And that because of it's 2 and 2, because 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. But that was just a really easy way of doing it. That was just we got lucky with that type of problem. So when we solve, our solution is only one solution, negative 2, and that would be the solution to this quadratic, and this would be the factoring form. Okay, so now let's try a different type of equation. So let's try another one. We'll go here, not pencil, I want this, it's easier to see. So let's say x squared again, but instead of plus 4x plus 4, we'll say plus 18 and 9x. So I encourage you to pause the video here and try solving this yourself. And yeah. Okay, so assuming that you paused it, keep your paper beside you and we'll work through this together. So we have x squared, so because of that, there should be an x on both sides, because x has to multiply by itself to become an x squared. x, and then x. Okay, so now we have to find two numbers that multiply to 18 and then add to 9. That's 6 and 3. So x plus 6 and x plus 3. That means this is the fully factored form. So that means the solutions to this is -6 and -3. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to AwesomeAni to never miss another video. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, thank you guys and have a great day.